name is Anissa Nurul Aini.
My name is Samsinar.
My name is Nadia Mela.
And I am a member of Group 3. Today, I will present a learning video about the folktale Timun Mas. I hope this video will be useful and enjoyable for all of you.
Enjoy watching.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
We are fine, Miss. We are ready for today's lesson.
Aina, please help open the window.
Okay, Miss. I have opened the window.
Thank you, Aina. Before we start the lesson, please pray together first.
Okay, Miss.
Today we are going to learn about the folktale Timun Mas. Have you ever heard this story before?
Yes, Miss. I read the story of Timun Mas when I was in the third grade. I also watched the Timun Mas animation on television with my family.
Very good. Where do you think the story of Timun Mas come from?
If I'm not mistaken, it's from Channel Javanese.
Correct. After this lesson, you are expected to understand the story and the moral value it contains.
Okay, Miss.
Please sit neatly and prepare your Indonesian language book. Okay, student sitting at the back, please pay attention to the form. If you want to answer question, please raise your hand first.
Okay, Miss.
Now, please create a group of 4 students.
Okay, Miss.
Ma'am, may we choose our own group members?
Yes, you can, but make sure each group has 4 members.
Okay, Miss.
Before we read the story in the book, we will show you a video about the folktale Timun Mas. Pay close attention to the characters, the plot, and the moral value you can find in the story.
Okay, Miss.
Small Japanese village. There is a lonely little need more tree. Every day she raised her hands to the sky, praying with all her heart. Oh, dear God, please grant me your child so I will not grow old alone. One evening, as she walked through the forest, a terrifying green giant appeared, his voice thundering through the trees. I can't give you the child, but when she comes to me, you must give her to me. Trembling hands, Maksuni accepted the golden cucumber seeds offered by the giant. She planted the seeds carefully in her small garden. Full of hope, weeks later, a giant cucumber appeared, glowing brightly in the field. She split open the cucumber, and to her amazement, inside was a... She named her Timun. Years passed. Timun Mas grew into a kind and beautiful young woman. Always help. Mokshuni's heart was restless. The giant would surely return. She went to see a wise hermit in the mountain. The comments gave her a small house filled with cheap color scenes, needles, salt, and shrimps with tears in her eyes. Handed the pouch to Timun Mas. If the giant comes, run! My child, use these to save yourself. The next day, the giant returned, his voice booming like thunder. Maksuni, give me Timan Moss. Now we were tearing us here deep in the forest, holding for breath and fear, so suddenly the ground shook with the giant's heavy steps. Boom, boom, boom. Tina Moss ran as fast as she could, chased by the furious giant. She quickly threw the cucumber seeds from her pouch. In an instant, a dense cucumber field grew. Its vines wrapped and tightened around the giant. But with his strength, he tore the parts and continued the chase. Next to the boss, gather the needles. They transformed into a sharp bamboo forest, piercing the giant's skin. Still, he pushed through, roaring in anger as he chased her again till the last. Through the salt into the sea. Suddenly, a path of salt appeared, letting her cross the raging ocean. The giant followed behind. The path crumbled beneath him. Crash! He plunged into the sea, yet still managed to climb back onto land. Tate, Timon and Pumbaa heard the striptease to the ground. The earth shook violently, transforming into boiling mud and fiery lava. The giant struggled, sinking slowly into the burning pit. He roared one last time before vanishing into the molten ground. Tina Moss returned home, running into the arms of her beloved mother. Mosheli wept with joy, embracing her daughter tightly. At last, they could live in peace, and the legend of Timon Mas was remembered forever. From the story of Tim and Mas, we learned that the love of a mother knows no bounds and becomes a power greater than fear. We see that cleverness and courage can defeat even the greatest force. And we are reminded that every promise carries consequences, and a sincere heart will always find its way to happiness. The legend of Tina Moss lives on not only as a tale, but as a lesson of love, bravery, and hope that never fades.
Okay. After watching the video, we can mention the characters that appeared. Yes.
Timon mother, the giant, and the hammer.
Very good. Yes, that's right. But remember, this story teaches us about courage.
Now, open your book to page 14.
Yes, okay, Miss.
We are going to read the folktale Timun Mas. Diva, please read the first paragraph aloud.
In ancient times, there lived an old widow named Boksrini who really wanted to have children. One day, he met a green giant who was willing to give him a child on the condition that when the child reached their heart, the child had to be handed over the giant. The giant gave him magic cucumber seeds. After planting, a very large golden cucumber grew. When opened, inside was a beautiful baby girl. The baby was named Timon Mas.
Very good. Now continue reading silently until the end for 5 minutes.
Okay, Miss.
5 minutes later.
Who is the main character in the story?
Timon Mas.
Correct. Why is Timon Mas the main character?
Because most of the story tells about her journey and struggle to save herself from the giant.
That's very good answer. Who is the villain in this story?
Great giant.
What is the main problem in the story?
Main problem is that the giant wants to take Timon Mas according to his agreement with Timon Mas' mother.
Exactly. Who did Timon Mas escape from the giant?
Timon Mas was magical object given by Hermes, such as cucumber seeds, needless salts, and shrimp to stop the giant.
Very good. Are there my difficult word in this story?
Ma'am, what does the word hermit mean?
A hermit is a person who lives alone to pray to get closer to God.
Oh, so it's like someone meditating in a quiet place, Mama?
Exactly. Putri, can you explain that happened after Timon Mas met Hermes?
I'm sorry, miss. I wasn't paying attention.
That's okay. Please focus more the lessons. Who can help Putri answer?
Hermes, the hermit, gave magical object to Timon Mas to escape from the giants.
Correct. Thank you for helping.
You're welcome, miss.
Now discuss with your group the moral message of the story Timon Mas.
Okay, miss.
Hey, look at my drawing.
Children, please lower your voice. If you can hear my voice, clap your hand 3 times. Thank you. Now everyone is paying attention again.
Sorry, miss.
That's okay. Let's continue the discussion.
1 minute later.
You have 1 minute left. Group 1, please your discuss result.
In our opinion, the moral message of Timon Mas is that we must be brave when facing problems and never give up when dealing with difficulties.
Amazing. Any additional idea from other groups?
I miss our group thinks that the story also teaches the parents always try to protect their children and we should respect and about our parent device.
Amazing. Any additional idea from other groups?
We see that intelligence and effort can help you solve problems. Timon Mas is not only brave, but also smart when facing the giant.
Wonderful. All groups shared very good opinions.
Next, did the story of Timon Mas really happen?
Timon Mas is folktale or legend that has been passed down from generation to generation. Its main purpose is to teach moral value socially.
Okay, miss.
You look a little tired. Let's do a short ice-breaking activity. When I say Timon, you answer Mas. Timon.
Mas.
Timon. Good. Now we are ready to continue running.
Then, if you were Timon Mas, would you be afraid?
Stay.
Interesting question. Yes, I need feel afraid but in war. Still trying to be braver and solution.
This is what Timon Mas means.
Ex-lady. Groups Stay is working for will today.
Thank you, Miss.
I'm happy, beautiful, all of you for service today. You with an opinion. Word is good.
Thank you, Miss.
You promotion is also glass with standing and sing. However, so many students still still. When speaking in front of state class, please stay to be more confident in your next meeting.
Okay, Miss, we will try to be bolder when speaking.
Let's giving stand I mode of lesson. You all did great job. Learning is only about getting, studying, and seven. That also about doing your best. Do you translating?
Yes, ma'am, we understand the story and its moral value.
Are students nice question?
Ma'am, are there any other Indonesian folk tales that has similar moral values in math?
Yes, for examples, meling, kundang, bawang merah, bawang putih, and keong emas, and reading is home.
Thank you, Miss.
Please listen. Grateful. Don't be afraid to answer. Please speak louder so your classmates can hear you. You time it up. Why did we clean today?
We learn about folk tale of Timumas, characters, plot, and moral values.
Very good. Why is stay moral message of stay sorry?
We must be brave in the face of adversity. Never give up, respect our parents, and use intelligence to solve problems.
Correct.
Yeah. Ma'am, are we going to learn another folk tale next week?
Yes, next week we will plan forgotten for divine regis.
Wow, I can't wait, ma'am.
Great, don't forget to listen, stay of Timun Mas at home and return duty. Moral with you lesson.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you for your attention today with you next.
Thank you, ma'am. See you next week.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
blossoms blooming in the mountain